Welcome to the Math Record. Today we will introduce the concept of conics. This video will cover part 1 in chapter 5 in our Precalculus class. So what is a conix? A conix is short for conic sections, which what happens when a plane intersects with a cone. There are three main cases of conics: a parabola, an ellipse, and a hyperbola. Circles are just a subsection of ellipses. Let's start with the most well-known, which is parabolas. So it will be this case right here. So parabolas are made of when the plane intersects a cone, only one of the cones, and also if this plane is like parallel to like a side of that cone. So it's like parallel to this side right here. So it kind of makes this parabola. So that's what a parabola is. Next up is ellipses. Ellipses are made when a plane intersects like one of the cones, but it's kind of like at an angle. So it kind of makes this. But a circle in this case, which is also an ellipse, a circle is a type of ellipse. It's when this plane is parallel to the base of the cone, the circle right here. So then this makes a circle. The difference between an ellipse and a circle is that a circle is like a perfect radius at all sides, no matter what. No matter when. It's always going to be a perfect radius. So it's always going to be like 5 around. So like if its radius is 5, then it's going to be 5 around. For ellipses, it's going to be like an oval. So it's kind of be like it's changing. But it kind of still has this shape. So that's what an ellipse is. And now the last shape is called a hyperbola. A hyperbola is made when a plane intersects two of the cones. It doesn't have to be parallel to anything. It just basically has to intersect both the cones, and it kind of makes like two parabolas, kind of. So what they usually do is they'll ask you about what types of like conics there are. If you see one kind of parabola, it's just a parabola. If you see anything with a circle, it's going to be an ellipse. And if you see anything with two kind of parabolas, you're going to have to say it's a hyperbola. Well, that basically completes the introduction to conics. Chapter 5 will cover each of the conics more in depth in separate videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next math record.